Welcome to Mazda Connected Services. The human-centric Mazda driving experience puts a priority on safety, so it's important to understand the safety features built into your Mazda. If your vehicle is involved in a moderate or severe collision, a call is made automatically to 911 via Bluetooth to your cell phone. A window will open informing you about the call. Select Cancel if you do not need emergency assistance. Your phone must be connected to Bluetooth, and the emergency assistance call setting must be turned on in the Mazda Connect system for automatic 911 dialing.